How to return an item on Zalando. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can return Zalando item. If you want to return your Zalando item, then first of all you will need to use your Zalando application or the website. If you want to open the website of Zalando, first of all you will need to open any web browser of your device. Here I am going with Chrome browser. Now open your browser and in the search bar you need to type zalando.com. Then search for it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of Zalando. Here first of all you need to choose their country. Tap on the country's flag to choose it. And here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in to your account, here at the top you will find some options. Here you need to tap on this return an item option. Once you tap on this option, now here you will be presented with the order history. Here you need to find the order that contains the item you'd wish to return. Once you find the item, you need to select it and then here tap on this create return. After tapping on it, you will need to specify the reason for the return and choose whether you want to refund or an exchange. After that, Zalando will provide a return shipping label. You need to pack the item securely in the original packaging and then drop off your parcel at the designation courier or drop-off point mentioned in the return instructions. You will need to follow the instructions provided by Zalando. And once Zalando receives and processes the return, you will be notified about the refund or exchange. Within few days, you will be able to get refund of that return item. So by following these steps, you should be able to return an item on Zalando. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.